Hey guys, Jake Lamance here. Today we are going to be installing a hood-mounted light bar that we got from Rad Accessories on a 2024 Segway UT-10 P. Now Rad really has a really good light bar here, first of all, but second of all, Segway has set everything up to make it really easy to do accessories, especially anything that's going to need a power source. Underneath the hood mounted for the light bar, you're going to have a cover, and what they've incorporated is a bus bar. Now this bus bar is for all your electrical components, for anything accessory wise, so it's going to make this really simple. The first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to come down and put the light bar on the hood piece, and it's just as simple as 3 screws. So we're going to remove these screws here, and we're going to put the light bar in behind it, and it'll be underneath the hood, protected by the weather. Okay, so bear with me just a second. And it is just that simple. Now, the next step for us is to run our wires to the front, and then we're going to go ahead and connect that with a switch that will activate the light when needed, okay? So now let's go ahead and do that. I'll show you how to put the switch in from the front. Now Segway, this is a P model, so it has the larger screen. It's a touch screen. The easiest way to get here is to pull your little snap rivets out from the top, and then this screen will actually slide right up and give you some space here to run your wiring. So we're going to run our wiring through our little switch plate here. And this will be what runs in to connect to the light and also to connect to the bus bar for the power. Just make sure your light switch is up the correct way, and it should just snap right in. Now we have an access point back here through the firewall that will run these wires. Now that we've got our wire through here to connect to our bus bar, we're just going to make sure our coverings are on correctly. Make those connections. And it is just as simple as disconnecting here, plugging in here, making sure that's good and snapped in tight. And then this wiring will go to your light, okay? So we're going to now install the light. Doesn't matter which side is which, you just want to go red and black and red and black. So make sure your black wire is connected here to your black wire, and then your red wire is connected to your red wire. And then the same thing for the other side. We're going to go red and black. Just that simple. Now, all we need to do now is secure your wires, pop this right back into place, and your light is right in there. It's going to look really good. All right, now let's go back to the front, and let's get this all buttoned back up and back in place. This is a really simple setup. We're going to just slide this right back in, and then you have your little grommets that'll finish the trim out. That is it. This one here in, and once you've activated it, turned it on, you've got a light behind the switch, and if you go to the front, you can check it out. Nice little LED light. It's going to be really nice and bright at night. So we appreciate you staying with us here and checking out how to install a Rad light bar for the hood mounted 2024 Segway UT-10 P. Thanks guys.